Hey guys, it's Miss Tarkington. I wanted to wish the third and fourth graders just the best of luck on the TCAP test that's coming up. My students too. We've been working hard. I know you have too. I wanted to read a book to you called I Can Do Hard Things. These are mindful affirmations for kids, and an affirmation affirms or makes you feel positive, good about something. This is written by Gabi Garcia, illustrated by Charity Russell. I can do hard things. I don't always feel brave, confident, or strong. Sometimes it seems easier to follow others along. I get so many messages about how I should be, pulled in different directions. I feel wobbly. When this happens, I listen for that quiet voice inside. When I pay attention, that voice is my guide. I connect with the love and strength it brings. It helps me remember I can do hard things. I can be a friend to myself. I can feel all my feelings. I can ask for help. I can try again rather than give up. I can believe in myself. I can speak up when it would be easier to stay quiet. I can say no, even to my friends. I can apologize. I can forgive. I can listen to understand different points of view. I can care for my community. I can choose kindness. I can practice peace. I can share my gifts with the world. I can be myself. Hard things can be about what we think, feel, say, or do. What's hard for me may not be hard for you. You are you, and I am me. We walked through the world differently. I'm going to turn that around so you can see all the different people walking around the world. All different kinds of people. Trusting my voice helps me find my way. I grow braver and stronger every day. The tough stuff I face is all my own. But I can remember also I'm not alone. I'm ready for the hard things I have to do. And please remember, so are you. All right, guys, so again, these are mindful affirmations. And so one of the things it says to do is to choose an affirmation from the book that connects with you. Your thinking, something that's true for you. One of the things it says you can also do is to take a deep breath and repeat that affirmation to yourself. Think about the affirmation that's helpful to you. Maybe even write that affirmation down. Put it somewhere where you can see it and repeat it to yourself. Maybe you've got a Post-it note and you can write down your affirmation and put it up all the days of the TCAP test. Maybe stick it on the corner of your desk or say it to yourself quietly in your brain if you start to get a little bit nervous, just remember, I can do hard things. Remember, your teachers love you. You can do it. We've got confidence in you. Now, you need to have confidence in yourself. You can do hard things. Love you. Bye.